Thanks for this moment to learn about Delmarva Cartoon Maps. We publish large, colorful, and very exciting community business-to-business advertising cartoon maps all around Delmarva. Our maps have included Dover, Rehoboth Beach, Seaford, Milford, Georgetown, Harrington, Kent County, and many others, and we are on our way to your community. We also design special purpose maps such as college campuses, bridal editions, event maps, and real estate locator maps. Have an idea for your own map? Let us know. Depending upon the size of the community, our maps are up to 3 feet wide and include a wall-sized laminated map for you to display and an ample supply of folding maps for you to distribute to your customers as a token of your appreciation for their business. Throughout the life of the map, which is usually 2 years, each business continues to distribute the map. This is our way of getting your message out to every kitchen table in your neighborhood. Get your car washed, get a map. Get a haircut, get a map. Rent a car, get a map. Order a pizza, get a map. Maps are even located in hotel rooms, medical offices, visitor centers, restaurants, auto repair, and every other business on our maps. I'm sure you get the idea. Our advertisers support each other and are considered the best businesses in town. We capture your business and create an attractive caricature, typically including your logo, address, telephone, and situate it right on your address on the map. If you don't have a location, we will display your business on your vehicle, on a balloon, a blimp, or whatever comes to mind, subject to your approval. The more creative, the better. Remember, it's a cartoon map. The reverse side of the map is reserved for a detailed index about each business and display ad space for coupons or even larger messages from you. These ads range from an eighth page to a full panel depending on the exposure that you want. For as little as $99, your business can be displayed on our next map. There are many other features available that we can show you if you'd like us to stop by and show you some samples, including exclusivity, multiple location discounts, ad sharing, mini maps, placemats, sponsorships, and so on. Drop us an email or a phone call, and remember, stay tuned for a cartoon map coming to your community. Thanks.